Guess the animals by the shadows? How many are you able to hit? Welcome to the Crazy Crab Quiz. Subscribe to the channel, leave your like and let's go to the video. What is the animal in the shadow? Horse. What is the animal in the shadow? Elephant. What is the animal in the shadow? Monkey. What is the animal in the shadow? Bear. What is the animal in the shadow? Giraffe. What is the animal in the shadow? Crab. Are you enjoying the video? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, okay? What is the animal in the shadow? Zebra. What is the animal in the shadow? Pig. What is the animal in the shadow? Rabbit. What is the animal in the shadow? Rhino. What is the animal in the shadow? Duck. What is the animal in the shadow? Owl. What is the animal in the shadow? Cat. What is the animal in the shadow? Camel. What is the animal in the shadow? Dolphin. What is the animal in the shadow? Tiger. What is the animal in the shadow? Fox. What is the animal in the shadow? Rooster. What is the animal in the shadow? Squirrel. So how many animals did you get right? I hope you had fun. Choose another video on the side to continue the fun. Thanks for watching Crazy Crab Quiz.